Hi everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are exploring an iconic high-rise luxury residential development in Hyderabad. The name of this project is Kohinoor by Oro Realty. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, lifestyle, pricing, configuration, along with the booking process. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So Kohinoor by Oro Realty is one of the Hyderabad's most ambitious and premium residential development located right in the heart of high-tech city. It is designed for buyers who want a perfect combination of modern high-rise living, prime IT hub connectivity and a luxury lifestyle. The key highlights include 7 iconic towers rising up to 42 stories, spacious 3 BHK, 4 BHK and duplex residences and nearly 80% open spaces that create a peaceful and green environment. The project also comes with an IGBC pre-certified gold rating and is designed to maximize ventilation, natural light and privacy. And because of the high-tech city location, the project is highly attractive for both IT professionals and investors. Now let's take a look at the locations. The Kohinoor enjoys a prime location near the high-tech city MMTS station, ensuring excellent connectivity across Hyderabad. The key connectivity points include High-Tech's Exhibition Center and Novotel Hotel is around 5 minutes away, Meridian School at approximately 8 minutes away, Cyber Tower Metro Station at around 10 minutes, Trident Hotel at about 12 minutes, and the Forum Sujana Mall approximately 15 minutes away. And the biggest advantage of this location is the work-life balance it offers, with minimal commute time to major hub. Now coming to the lifestyle and amenities, so Kohinoor offers a complete ecosystem of world-class indoor and outdoor amenities designed for both luxury and wellness. And these include a fully equipped gym, squash court, spa and massage room, billiards and table tennis. The project also includes urban farming spaces, themed gardens and pet-friendly zones. Overall, the lifestyle here is not just about luxury but also about wellness and community living. And now let's look at the configuration and pricing. So the project offers multiple thoughtfully designed options. The 3 BHK Optima ranges from 1,296 to 1,456 square feet, while the 3 BHK Ultima ranges from 1,904 to 2,277 square feet. The 4 BHK Optima ranges from 2,670 to 2,928 square feet and the 4 BHK Ultima ranges from 2,805 to 3,113 square feet. There are also premium duplex residences available for larger luxury living. The indicative pricing is around 12,000 rupees per square feet onwards, and the exact pricing and payment plans are not publicly disclosed and are typically shared during the site visit. So now coming to the booking process, while detailed booking steps are not officially disclosed, the standard process involves a site visit followed by the unit selection and discussion on pricing and payment plans. Interested buyers can then proceed with a token amount to confirm the booking. In the prime micro market like high-tech city, large-scale luxury development like this are limited, which makes early entry a strong opportunity for long-term appreciation. For brochure, pricing details, payment plans or to schedule a site visit, check the link in the description. So if you are looking for a premium lifestyle home or a high growth investment near an IT hub, then Kohinoor by Oro Realty is definitely worth considering. NRIs from the US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us through the same link for virtual presentation. And if you enjoy premium luxury real estate videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.